Well, people like that. People like when you piss them off because you know, you're all on like, you follow somebody on Facebook or social media that you don't like because then you see their post, you're like, ah, can't believe she said that today. And then the next one comes and like you look at that too. So like people follow stuff that makes them mad, and sometimes it like actually makes them mad, and sometimes it's just like, oh, like I can't believe I didn't think of that. That's so good. And like even if that's the case, like it's still just engagement that you're getting, and they're going to talk about you. And then like, for example, like Andrew Tate, people like hate on him, but people talk about him. So like his kind of people will find him because other people are talking about how bad he is. And no matter like how many people are talking about you, good or bad, you will be discovered by more people, and the right people will gravitate towards you and the wrong people will move away. Yeah, again, I don't know anything about Andrew Tate. I know he's polarizing. I saw a video of him one time. He said some crazy shit, and then I went and told my friends about it because he was so crazy. And yeah, so like that's something he does a good job at.
There's something I'll add to that too, is when you do write something weird, right, you're probably gonna put something there like, how do I say this without like, one, the client like completely hating my guts after this? Or how do I do it to where I don't piss off the entire list? And Troy has started doing this thing where at the end of sentences, it'll be like it's almost like a clap back to like what you're saying. Where like if you say something pretty crazy, you'd be like, well, here's what I'm really saying. Something like that, to where it gives you an opportunity to like kind of say something weird. Be a little clickbaity, right? We have to do that in some way, shape, or form. But then you have this opportunity, like 2 or 3 sentences, to kind of like ice the wound that you just kind of caused. So
don't do it yet though, because I would just kill the suspense. Yeah. Like say something that's outrageous, and then like marinate in it for several lines, and then at least by the end of the email, like explain the point that you're trying to get across. Because like I'm not good at keeping surprises, for example. So if I had like a big surprise for Dom, and it like my subject line is a big surprise for Dom, and then Dom opens it, and then the very first thing I tell him what it is, like I don't want that. Like I want to like start like teasing what this thing might be, kind of like like make him a little bit curious, a little bit angry, a little bit sad. Like why is he not telling me yet? But again, I'm not just filling it in with words. It's as long as the words are like making him continue to read the next line and like excited. So yeah, by the end of it, you want to explain your way, but don't just give it away immediately.